Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain a simple personal profile web page that I created using HTML and CSS. This web page showcases my details including my education, skills, projects and hobbies in a structured and visually appealing way. I have used HTML to structure the content and CSS to style it, making it more readable and attractive. Now let's go through the code which I made based on the HTML and CSS code. And the first step, that is doc type HTML. This uh, this contains a basic structure. That means web page starts with a basic structure which I begin my code is doc type HTML, which tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. And then I have used HTML tag which contains the entire web page inside it. And here there are two main sections, head and the body. The head section the head section having contains a metadata, the page title and CSS styling. The meta char set equal to UTF-8. This tag ensures a proper character encoding. And the next, title. Here I have mentioned some name that sets the title that appears in the browser tab. And the next, style tag. This tag contains CSS which controls the appearance of the web page. And now let's move on to the CSS part. So I have used internal CSS to design the web page. Here are some key styles I appeal. The first is body styling. First I set the margin, the value 0, and padding to remove any default browser spacing so many content in neatly aligned. And the next, box styling. It contains a border, margin, padding, text align. And the next, image, and this having some attributes. And the next, h1 tag, heading tag. I style my headings like this, like h1 is a dark blue, text align left, font size 1.8 em, etc. Next, so these are the parts I mentioned in CSS part, and that is situated in the head tag. And the next, let's move on to the next step, that is a body section. Inside the body I have used div with a class box that contains all my profile information. The first is profile image and name. I inserted my profile picture. We can insert our profile picture as uh, as optional. And next, below that my name appears inside an h3 tag. The next, profile information, that means field set. To make my profile sections look neat, I use it field set elements which create separate boxes for each section, that is profile section, career objectives, education, skills, and academic projects, hobbies, etc. So uh, yeah, these are I mentioned in the body section part. And here in field set I use it unordered list, that means disk control bullets, the closing unordered list, field set, div, closing the body part, and closing the entire HTML tag, which I uh, started with at last start with the HTML tag, and this all information is in the language of English. So yeah, this is the simple and easy code for profile information using CSS and HTML. Thank you for listening.